Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Novitasari, and this presentation I will explain about pharmacy. I hope you can enjoy and understand the discussion that I will explain it. So now I will explain about a brief history of pharmacy. There are 5 main topics, namely introduction, drug development, pharmaceutical figures, history of pharmacy, and then conclusion. The first is introduction. I will give your information about pharmacy. Pharmacy is the study of how to make, mix drug formulation, identification, combination, analysis, and standardization of drugs and treatment, including the nature and distribution and how to use it properly and safely. Pharmacy in Greek is called pharmakon, which is meaning medical or drug, while the pharmacy profession is a profession Next, drug development. At first, the use of drugs was carried out empirically from plants, only based on experience. Until the late 19th century, drugs were organic or inorganic products of dried or fresh plant, animal, or mineral. Ingredients active in cure disease but can also toxic effects. If the dose is too high or in certain conditions, the patient to ensure the availability of drugs so as not to depending on the season, medical plants are preserved by drying. Next, pharmaceutical figures. The first, Paracelsus. Paracelsus argued that to make medicinal preparation, it is necessary to know the content of the active substance and to make medicine from ingredients that have known active substance. Hippocrates, who is known as the father of medicine, in his medical practice has used more than 2,000 types of plants. Claudius Galen connected the healing of disease with the theory of action of medicine, which is a field of pharmacology. Ibn Sina has written several books on the collection and storage of medical plants, as well as how to manufacture medicinal preparations such as pills, suppositories, syrup, and a combination of medical knowledge from various countries, namely Greece, India, Persia, and Arabia, to produce effective treatment better. Next, Johann Jakob Weber. He succeeds in leveraging the pharmacological and toxicological effects of drugs on experimental animals. He was the first to conduct pharmacological and toxicological research on experimental animals. Experiments on animals are preclinical trials, which until now were a requirement before drugs were clinically tested on humans. And the last, the first Institute of Pharmacology was founded in 1847 by Rudolf Buchheim. Together with experts from other disciplines, product fundamental concept in drug action, including drug receptors, the relationship of structure to activity, and selective toxicity. Next, history of pharmacy. Early science developed from traditional healers and medicine that developed in Greece, the Middle East, Asia Minor, China, and other Asian regions. At first, the science of medicine, which is owned by certain people from generation to generation from their families. The development of pharmaceutical science then spread almost all over the world, starting from the UK, the United States, and Western Europe. The first college of pharmacy was founded in Philadelphia, United States in 1821. Now the school is called the Philadelphia College of Pharmacy and Science. After that, a new era of pharmacy science with the emergence of high schools and universities in universities. The history of the modern pharmaceutical industry began in 1897 when Felix Hoffmann discovered how to add 2 extra carbon atoms and 5 extra carbon atoms and 5 extra hydrogen atoms to the starch of willow bark. The result of his discovery known as aspirin, which eventually led to the birth of the modern pharmaceutical industry company in the world, namely Bayer. Furthermore, the development R&D after World War I. Then in World War II, experts tried to find drugs in bulk, such as tuberculosis drugs, steroid hormones, and contraceptive and antipsychotics. Since then, the pharmaceutical world, or industry and education, has continued to develop, supported by various discoveries in other fields, such as the use of biotechnology. Pharmacy schools today are found almost all over the world. The mecca of scientific development, if we may call it, is indeed the United States and Germany. So, pharmacy in Greek is called pharmakon, which means medical or drug. Early science developed from traditional healers and medicine that developed in Greece, the Middle East, Asia Minor, China, and other Asian regions. At first, the science of medicine, which is owned by certain people from generation to generation from their families. There are 6 scientists who contribute to the beginning of pharmacy, namely Paracelsus, Hippocrates, Claudius Galen, Ibn Sina, Johann Jakob Weber, and Rudolf Buchheim. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.